Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know if someone blocked you on iMessage, and if you want to check whether they have blocked you or not. If you want to know about someone whether they have blocked you on messages or not, and if you have already sent you a message and you don't know about that, which means you are confused whether they have blocked you on iMessage or not. So how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset. And you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the iMessage and you have to simply try to send the message to that person. And if you see not delivered option, which means there is an error related to your network or the person has not received your message. For example, if you see a green color, which means that person has blocked you or your message has not been delivered. So there are signs that how you can check whether the person has blocked you or no. If you don't see delivered or read below the last sent iMessage, which means that person has blocked you. And another thing you can check is you can simply check the bubble color. If the bubble color is green, which means the SMS is sent through as SMS and not through iMessage. So the next thing you can check is you can also check whether you are FaceTiming the person or not. It is pretty easy to spot if you are blocked message, because when you try to call or video that chat them using FaceTime, it won't work, which means the person has blocked you. That means you will not be able to call that person using FaceTime. Moreover, you can also check, try to call that person, try calling the number you are sending an iMessage to. If you are blocked, that means the person will not be able to receive your call evenly. Moreover, you can also call that person from a different number. If that person connects to you by a different number or different phone, that means the person has blocked you on that specific number on iMessage. So in this way, these are the signs which you can check whether the person has blocked you on iMessage or not. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.